Hi guys, we are making Jamburritos today. I'm your host, Jambalaya Girl, and my co-host, this is Miles, the Jambalaya Boy. Can you wave? Say hi to everybody. Hi. Alright, so we're doing a quick batch of chicken and sausage jambalaya for our Jamburritos. And one of the quickest and easiest ways to make it is in the rice cooker. I've already started. I have my smoked sausage. You can actually use the rice cooker to brown your sausage. So I've already browned all of my sausage. And in times of need, guys, when you gotta go into the pantry, yeah, it's hot, be careful. We are gonna open up a can of chicken. Now we just need to add the water. Miles, can you pour that in there for me? Good job. Thank you. Perfect. And then we got some jambalaya. Miles, oh, you do? Who's that?
Mama.
Yeah. All right, we'll cut this open. Ooh, smell that. That smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, can you pour it in here? Great job. All right, now give it a stir. Stir it up, Miles. Perfect. Yes. So guys, you can make the jambalaya on the stovetop, in the rice cooker, in the oven, in the microwave, in the crock pot. Any way you can get the jambalaya hot, you can make this dish. Thanks, buddy. All right, we'll put the lid on. And this is gonna sit for about 25 minutes. We'll make sure we just put it on to cook. And that's it. We'll be back and we'll be making some Jamburritos on the back porch, getting ready for the Big Saints game tonight. Tell them see you later. Bye-bye. Okay, our jambalaya is done, and now we're gonna make our Jamburritos with the help of Miles. Are you ready? Let's do a big scoop. So we're gonna do a hefty scoop of the jambalaya. You can use an ice cream scooper, really works well. I kind of do like a scoop and a half in there. Does that look good, buddy? And this is great for leftovers, guys. If you have chicken and sausage jambalaya, you can do it with seafood jambalaya. Even if you're down to rice and beans, this goes great too. So we're gonna add some cheese. Wanna add some cheese to that? Yeah. Okay, can you sprinkle some cheese on top? Perfect, put that right on there. Thanks, buddy. We're using pepper jack cheese. You can do it with some Colby Jack, some mozzarella, some cheddar, but I really like the taste of the pepper jack in there. I think that's plenty cheese. Oh my gosh, you want more? What? All right, now we are going to fold our Jamburrito. And what you do is you kind of you want to put your pile of jambalaya right towards the edge. A burrito wrap works great. And you want to fold your edges in first. Man, we got a lot of cheese. I'm gonna spread that out. You put your edges in first and you tuck it from the end and you just slowly roll it in and keep tucking in your edges as you're folding it. Yeah, good job, Miles. All right, and once it is all in there tight like a burrito, we got our skillet already hot, and I just sprayed a little cooking spray. You can put some oil or butter just to get it brown. And we're gonna go ahead and use our spatula and flatten that down until both sides are browned. And that just gets all the cheese all melted in there. And guess what, Miles? I already got one done. You wanna try it? You wanna eat? Come see. And here is our Jamburrito. You can see it here. The cheese is all melty in there with the chicken and sausage. And you can dip it perfect, buddy. That's just what I was going for. Come on. You want to dip it in some salsa, put some sour cream on it. Oh yeah. Here, give it a good dip. A little sour cream. Here, put that on there. All right, take a bite. Want a bite? Mmm. Is that yummy? Say mmm. Well, thanks, guys. You guys enjoy. Have a good time making Jamburritos with your family and friends. And enjoy the game tonight if you're going to watch it. Who dat? Say who dat?
Who dat?
Who dat?